Hey guys, thank you so very much for returning for another school lunch idea. It's Halloween time, and if you're like me, you like for your kids' lunches to match the holidays. If Halloween is your favorite holiday, let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a new video. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm making them tuna salad, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on a croissant, and these are all of the ingredients that I'm going to use. For the vegetable choice, I'm going to go ahead and make them a little salad, and I'm using the Southwest salad kit that I picked up from Sam's Club. Now I'm just adding the tuna salad to the croissant. This cute little pic says "Be spooky." Here I'm just filling up this little squirt bottle with the salad dressing that came inside of the kit. For their sweet treat, I'm just going to go ahead and give them a fall party cake and also one of these Bats, Cats, and Rats Trolley Sour Bites. I'm going to go ahead and put this pirate's booty into a little baggie. So here is everything that will be inside of their lunches. I hope this video gave you an idea for Halloween lunch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, plus that notification bell. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.